Today we're going to explore the critical role of first aid training in ensuring a timely response to emergencies. First aid training isn't just about the knowledge, it's about being ready to respond effectively when seconds count. So let's delve into how this training can be a game changer for your team. And here are some of the key points to consider. So immediate response to workplace injuries and illnesses, minimize severity and complications throughout that prompt care, boosted employee morale and confidence, enhanced safety and preparedness, a safer and more secure workplace environment, a timely response to emergencies through first aid training. Not just a skill, it's that commitment to the safety and well-being of your team. It's about knowing that you have the skills to respond effectively and make a difference when it matters most. A timely response to emergencies through first aid training is not just a goal, it's a commitment to a safer and a more resilient workplace. Because in your workplace, timely response is the key to a secure and a well-prepared future.